Okay, I'm back again with a quick review. This time on the Cree Q5 LED zoomable flashlight. Takes 3 AAA batteries. It's fairly small, zoomed in like it is right now. It only has a length of 4 inches. You extend it, it's 4.5. I compared it with the video demo to this little 9 LED flashlight, which has the same battery configuration. In fact, the battery cartridges are interchangeable. It has the little holder for 3 AAAs. It's not much bigger than the little 9 LED flashlight you can get pretty much anywhere for $2 to $4, but it provides 240 lumens for $5. I mean, you can't find that anywhere else, and for me testing it, it absolutely puts out that amount of light. I'm just so amazed with this flashlight. That's why I'm going to post a link in the description for you guys to pick this up. It's definitely worth every red cent. This review is going to be fairly quick. Most of the video is going to be the actual lighting demo itself. So let me just quickly give you a couple of close-ups of the light. We have an anodized aluminum frame. Tells you how far in or out you're zooming. There's the Q5 emitter with the adjustable lens, as you guys can see. The way it functions is it has a click button at the back. It has 3 modes. There's your high mode and flood. We'll zoom in. Tap it again, get low. Zoom out. Tap it again, you get strobe. And again, we'll zoom in. It's pretty bright and powerful, what you'll see in the lighting demo. This takes 3 AAA batteries, and I've been using rechargeables in it so far. Has pretty nice contacts. Everything's brass or gold plated possibly. Haven't looked that up. And again, pretty nice light for $5.50. So go ahead, check out this lighting demo. You guys will be completely amazed. Just before I start, it also comes with the holster. You can put it in your pocket or clip it onto your belt. So check out the lighting demo.